Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will be explaining you what are the things I did in face and emotion recognition. The first thing I will be covering is POC for the face recognition. Second thing, I will explain the AWS cloud solution for this particular project in production level. And third thing, I will be explaining the challenges which we will face in the production and how I will solve all those problems. The fourth one, I will be explaining the overview of the code, and I will show you the APIs. Okay, so let's start with the POC. So in the POC, what I've created a home page like that, and it is running locally. So in this particular page, four things are there. So for this, the first one is real-time face and emotion recognition. So here, what it will do, it will when user will pause in the middle of the video and they want to see which actor is there in that particular screen, they can see. That feature is already integrated in the Amazon Prime. Okay. The second one is we can extract all the actors, uh, name or their details before the user watch it. So this is also beneficial. We can so that a user can check all those details in a real time. Okay, and also in very fast. The third thing, what I have integrated, suppose so many times people don't know about the actor's name, okay, and they have only the images. They want to see the movies related to that actor and which actor is that, and what are the what are the movies are present in this particular platform, so they can upload their actor image here and they can check. The fourth thing is there. Suppose people want to check their live emotion and they want to see some movies related to that emotion, or recommended movies for that particular emotion, they can check. Okay, we'll explain all those things one by one. So after POC, I will explain you the cloud solution. So this is the AWS cloud solution for the face recognition. I will explain all those things. Okay, first I will explain the POC, and I will explain this thing also. The third thing, I will be explaining you the challenges, the major challenges what we will face in the production and their solution. I've written the solution as well. I will explain all those things one by one. Okay. And finally, I will show you the code base for this particular project. Okay. And so now what I will do, I will just go through this one. Okay. And I will take one video and I will pause it in the middle and I will check whether it is able to detect or not. Okay. Suppose uh, I have taken Salman Khan's video Jai Ho. Okay. So play this video and
नकलियत
I will stop this video.
जिंदगी में तीन चीज
Uh,
कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट
I stopped this video and now it is checking. So yeah, it is able to detect this one is Salman Khan. And one interesting thing is there that things are extracted by me from the IMDb. This image is coming from IMDb. Name, born, known for is nothing but the famous movies of this particular actor, and it is also able to detect the emotion of this particular frame. And in this particular platform, what are the movies present of that particular actor is also showing here. Partner, Jai Ho, and uh, Janeman. These are the movies present in this platform of this particular actor. We can check with another video as well. Okay, so uh, let's uh, check whether it is able to predict this frame or not. So it is checking now. So yeah, it is able to detect this one is Akshay Kumar. And in this catalog, I kept only few movies. That's why one movie is coming. Otherwise, it will show the famous movies of this actor in this platform, whatever present in this platform. And known for is the famous movies of this actor. These things are extracted from IMDb. So this was the one of the feature of this application. The second one is uh, uh, not real time. It will extract all the images, all the faces, and recognize all those actors previously. Okay, already it will be, it is already detected all those images of that actor. So let's check for the one of the movie, because it will take a lot of time, because I need to fetch all the, I mean, all the frames, not all of the kept five per second. Still, it will take a lot of time. So I checked only for this movie. So let's check what are the things are coming. So when I will click on get actor, so these are the actors present in this movie, and these are the time. Suppose I wanna in this video I want to go to a particular time frame where Lara Datta is present. So I'll just click here.
What?
Uh,
Okay, stop.
Sometimes people need to check that I will check the scene where Govinda is present, like here Govinda is
बताइए
present. Sometimes people
किस
wanna
किस्म की
see
लड़की चाहते हैं आप?
uh,
वही जो
the
शक्ल से
scene
खूबसूरत हो,
where
दिमाग से इंटेलिजेंट हो
Katrina
और
is
दिल की
there.
अच्छी हो।
So Katrina
ये
is
क्या
there.
कर रहा है तू भास्कर?
Only obviously, so it is able to face all those details. We will use this predetermined face recognized for trending and I mean trending video. We'll extract all those I mean all those data of the trending videos available on that current time. Okay, so this is the second feature, and the third feature I will be explaining you. Let's go to the third feature. Okay, suppose sometimes people have some photo, and they don't know their actor name, which actor is there, and they wanna see their movies on the platform. So I've created a feature for that. You just need to upload the actor, I mean whatever image you have, and you can check in this platform which actor is that and their movie, what are the movies available in this platform. So let's choose a photo. Okay, so um, I downloaded this Akshay Kumar uh, image. So let's check whether it is able to check or not. Okay. So I will just upload this Akshay Kumar movie. I mean, sorry, image, and I will recognize face. Okay. So let's check whether it is able to recognize or not. It is yeah, it is able to detect. This one is Akshay Kumar, and Janeman is the movie which is present in this platform. Okay. So this is the third feature in this application. The fourth feature I will explain. Sometimes people have some moods and they wanna see some movies uh, depending upon their mood. So I have created another feature for that. In this particular uh, feature, people will capture their image and they will send and check their emotion, and the system will say which mood you have, and we can recommend movie according to their uh, emotion. So let's check, make a emotion. uh, Let me check. Yeah, it is happy. So what we will do in future, we will integrate the AI companion with that one. And if people want to share their image, okay, obviously this is a private thing. Most of the people do not want to share, but if someone want to share and want to recommend movie according to their emotion, they can check. So here happy is there, the AI companion will check this happy and they will recommend movie according to their emotions. Okay, so these are the four features I have integrated in this application. Okay, so now I will be explaining the cloud thing. So let me go through the cloud. Yeah, so this is the cloud solution. Look, so many things are there. I will explain all those things one by one. Okay, the first and first thing is catalog. Okay, so how we will get that catalog. So if one client or two clients, it is very much easy to fetch the catalog and enhance the catalog. But if you have so many clients and you need to fetch so many data at a time, you need to enhance so many things, so you need this solution. So what this will do, first first one is event bridge. It is nothing but uh, scheduling something. Okay, so it is scheduled. Suppose I scheduled to fetch the catalog at 10 a.m. Okay, so in 10 a.m. it will tell lambda function कि भाई it's 10 a.m. you need to do something. So what this lambda will do, it will send some job to this AWS batch कि AWS you need to do this number of jobs. So now what this AWS batch will do, it will be doing all those jobs parallelly, not serial wise, parallelly, so that the time consumption will be less. In a lesser time it will be able to fetch all those catalogs at a time. And what are these things? Cloud pipeline, ECR. This cloud pipeline will basically create the Docker image and it will store in the ECR. Why this Docker is required? This Docker is required for AWS batch. AWS batch need Docker, and Docker will be created by AWS pipeline. Okay. So after getting the job in the AWS batch, it will start doing their work. What it will do? It will extract actors images is required for this model. For this use case, actor image is very much required, and assets metadata enhancement is required, and also uh, the actor's metadata is also required, like when he is born, uh, what are the famous movies of that actor, what are the prizes he won in the in the past. Okay, so these are the things in AWS batch. It will doing all those things. Okay, and after enhancing the catalog, it will send the catalog into S3, and it will send the images in the S3 as well. Okay, so two buckets will be there, one for the catalog and the second one for the images. Now let consider I mean let me explain these things. Okay, Bitbucket is there. Bitbucket, in the Bitbucket code base will be there. This, when there will be some changes in the Bitbucket, this code pipeline will be get triggered, and it will convert the code into a Docker image. Okay, and the Docker image will be kept inside the ECR, and the Docker image will be running in the ECS. And also we will use EC2, not forget. With this I will explain you why not forget. Okay, and load balancing and scaling, all those things will be used here. So now our Docker will be running inside this ECS. Now the front end will send, when people will click on pause, the front end will send that frame to us, and in the response we will give the actor's name, their details, their movies, their famous movies. Okay, so what, why Redis is required? Actually, for the inference, if it is stored in S3, it will taking a lot of time. So for the first time, when one actor is being called or one actor is being used, we will store all those actors' name in the Redis. For the next time when that actor is required, we can fetch the things easily, because in Redis all the things are present in cache. So in memory is there, so it will fetch all those things easily, very much easily. Okay, and also once a frame is detected, we will be keeping all those details in the Redis as well, uh, for future inference. So yeah, this is the cloud solution for the AWS face recognition. And the third thing, I will be explaining you the challenges. What are the challenges we will face and how I will solve that uh, problem. The first one is Docker image, as it is a deep learning project. So many heavy libraries will be there in this mod. In this project I am using VGG uh, face and deep face model, and it contains uh, extra libraries as well, like a TensorFlow, and also requires Keras to install. So the size of the Docker will be huge. So to reduce that size, I will be using Onyx model. Onyx to reduce the size of that model, and also after that I will be using multi-stage Docker building. In multi-stage I will I will keep only the libraries whatever is required for the inference only, and I will not take other things, so the Docker image will be sorry, reduced. By reducing the Docker image, so many benefits of that. ECR charges will be less, inference time will be increased. Inference time will be decreased, and scaling will be very much easy. So these are the benefits of reducing the Docker images. The second thing is enhancement time. I think I explained this one. As the catalog will be there, so we can't use Lambda here because Lambda has only 15-minute time. More than that, it can't work. And to extract the things, to enhance the thing, it will take more than 1 hour, maybe 1 to 2 hour. And also, all things should be done in lesser time. So many options are there. We can use EC2. We can also use mm, ECR as well, ECS as well. Okay, but the best thing is to use AWS batch. Okay, so in AWS batch, we will keep all the jobs, all the fetching things inside the AWS batch. It will do all those things parallelly, and it will save the time. So this is the solution for the for the catalog fetching. The third thing is countless images. So this is the face recognition product project. So many images is required for this. So we can't keep all those images in the S3 because the inference time will be increased. Okay. So reduce that inference time. We have to keep all those, the used images in the ready. So the next time the inference time will be reduced. The third thing is cloud resources. As it is a face recognition thing, so it requires GPU. And if you need simplicity and if you want to use Fargate, so there is bad news for you. You can't use Fargate because Fargate can't support GPU. So many complications will be there. And yeah, I will handle all those complications. I will solve all those complications. And for that I will be using ECS with EC2. I can't use Fargate for that. EC2, and to define the task and to define the services, I will I have to use, and also for the scaling policy, all those things I have to decide. I have to use the load testing, and I will handle all those things. Yeah. So these are the things I covered, and let me show the code base. I pushed all those codes in the GitHub. Okay, and this is the code base. And this is the code base for this project. It will also extract the IMDb images for that, battle images. When the catalog will come, no need to manually download the images. It will directly uh, uh, download all those images from the IMDb, and it will enhance the data, the other things related to actors enhancement. Okay, so these codes will cover all those things, and for that I created 3 APIs. Okay, so let me show you. So these are the APIs. In this API, this pause API, when the user will pause, okay, the front end will send that image to the backend, and we will check which image is that, which actor is that, and in the response we will give all those things like movies, born, emotions, other things I can extract. Just for the POC, I extracted few things like born, and known for, and these are the things. But so many things I can extract from the IMDb. The second one is uh, for the already recognized movies. Suppose I wanna extract all the faces present in the Sultan movie. Okay, not live, just before one day. Okay, so we can use this API to face all those timestamp where that particular actor is present. And the third one is if suppose someone wanna check what emotion he has, you can you can check from this API. So basically, these are the things I covered. I hope uh, I covered most of the things, and I did all those things locally. But I'm capable to do all those things in the production as well. Yeah, thank you.